YouTube deleted my videos and demonetized my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the reason why I think YouTube demonetized my channel so that you don't make the same mistake. Did I just say the mistake? Yes, I'm actually going to be sharing my own experience so that you have to be careful in your own channel to avoid demonetization. A quick backstory to when I got monetized and when I dropped my paycheck video, my first YouTube paycheck video just weeks ago. 2 days after sharing my paycheck, YouTube sent me a shocking email on the 26th of November, which I'm going to be posting on the screen, that my channel is no longer eligible to earn. I'm actually going to be reading out what the email said. Hi, Vivi Serial, our team of policy specialists reviewed your channel, Vivi Serials. We found some of the content on your channel is not in line with our YouTube partner program policies. As of today, your channel is not eligible to monetize and you will not have access to monetization tools and features. This is the shocking news I got. So when I went to my YouTube studio to check further, because that should be the first place I have to go to check my YouTube studio, especially the dollar sign. So when I clicked on the dollar sign, I saw it boldly written that your channel is no longer eligible to earn because of reused content. Guys, reused content. I was shocked when I saw reused content because I was wondering what content did I reuse. I checked my long form videos and live stream and I couldn't find anything that seemed against YouTube rules. That made me realize that the problem was likely from my shorts. A few days before I got the demonetization email from YouTube, I had already gotten about 6 emails from YouTube that my shorts were removed. This is actually a warning that I didn't realize earlier. I'm going to be pasting one of the 6 emails I got from YouTube on the screen. And I'm also going to be reading it out to prove to you that this is actually where the problem came from. IVV Serials, we want to give all creators control over how their content shows up across YouTube, while we want to enable everyone to remix content across YouTube. We also want to provide the original content creator with adequate controls to restrict the usage of their content. So meaning that the person I collabed with or the creator that I collabed with actually gave me a strike for reusing our content or for making use of our content severally. So the very particular creator I collaborated with so many times gave me a strike for reusing her contents. Because in my channel, I noticed that I actually collaborated with a creator not once, not twice, because that very particular shot gave me a lot of views, because that very particular shot gave me a lot of money. So I collaborated more than 2 times, okay, for just one shot. Because after getting the demonetization email, I had to go back to the other emails that I've been getting from YouTube, and I realized that this is where the problem is. So according to what YouTube sent me, say that the creator has adequate control to restrict the usage of his or her content. So my advice to creators out there is that if at all you want to do collaboration, please make sure you are not overdoing it. Just collab with one shot. You don't need to collab more than 2, 3, 4. Because according to what YouTube says, I didn't say it, that the creator has the right to restrict the usage of their content. So you have to know the way you collab and how you collab. Then if at all you want to collab as well, make sure you react to what the creator that is creating the content, make sure you react well. Make sure you put your style, make sure you put your personality. Don't just collab because of collabing sake. Make sure you put that accent into that collab so that it will look real, because YouTube wants you to be original. YouTube wants you to be original as a creator. That is why they see reuse content as a repetitive. When you are repeating the same content over and over again, they don't see you as a real person, but they want you to be original as a content creator you are. So you guys, I don't want you to make such mistake in your channel. You have to be very careful so that you don't get demonetized. So when you have any video that is not yours, a video that you know that you did not create yourself, the originality is not there, it might affect you in the future, because the way YouTube is going now and the way they're updating their system, they are very, very serious with unoriginality. So you all out there should be very careful and bring out original content to avoid reuse content. And for those of us that are demonetized, you are not alone. Let's work hard to get monetized again.